Malacanang just said to Duterte supporters that they should also encourage you to come back to the Philippines and face the arrest warrant from the House of Representatives. Sir, what do you say to this?
I cannot come home. I have to defend my president as a member of the List Council of the ICC at The Hague. Yan naman po ay alam na ng lahat na sa mulat mula. Una po, ako yung kauna-unang Pilipino na naging miyembro ng Peace Council. Ngayon po, 5. 3 doon sa 5, 2 doon ay dati kong kasama. In fact, my 2 former partners are representing the victims. Kaya po kami naghiwa-hiwalay sa law office. Yung 2 kong partners opted to represent the victims. And after my stint as POX, of course, I said, I've already been advising the president on ICC even when I was POX. And I can confirm that as early as 2019, I've been advising him on ICC matters. So, kinailangan po kami maghiwa-hiwalay as a law office and as legal partners. No? So, I'm sorry, I cannot come home. I have to defend my president.